What is the purpose of the trailer hand valve? A. To apply trailer brakes only. B. To turn on trailer lights. C. To supply air to the tractor. A. To apply trailer brakes only. What is a trailer jackknife? A. When the trailer lights fail. B. When the trailer tires lock and the trailer swings around. C. When the trailer load shifts suddenly. B. When the trailer tires lock and the trailer swings around. Which part of the air brake system should be checked for cross connections? A. Battery terminals. B. Steering linkage. C. Trailer emergency and service lines. C. Trailer emergency and service lines. What can cause a trailer to skid? A. High engine temperature. B. Poor trailer brakes. C. Excessive weight in the tractor. B. Poor trailer brakes. After backing under the trailer, what should you do next? A. Open the trailer side doors. B. Check that the kingpin is locked in the fifth wheel. C. Lower the landing gear. B. Check that the kingpin is locked in the fifth wheel. What should you check after locking the kingpin? A. Distance from trailer doors to ground. B. Tire inflation. C. Gaps between fifth wheel and trailer. C. Gaps between fifth wheel and trailer. Why should the trailer be slightly lower than the fifth wheel when coupling? A. So the trailer is lifted slightly as the tractor backs under it. B. To allow gravity to lock the brakes. C. To avoid hitting the trailer sides. A. So the trailer is lifted slightly as the tractor backs under it. What is the function of the service airline? A. Powers ABS. B. Cools brake drums. C. Applies trailer service brakes. C. Applies trailer service brakes. What is the purpose of the emergency airline? A. Powers trailer lights. B. Supplies air and controls emergency brakes. C. Deflates air suspension. B. Supplies air and controls emergency brakes. What happens if the emergency airline disconnects? A. Headlights fail. B. Trailer emergency brakes activate. C. Fuel system shuts down. B. Trailer emergency brakes activate. How can you test that air flows to all trailers? A. Turn on wipers. B. Pump brakes. C. Open shut-off valve at rear trailer. C. Open shut-off valve at rear trailer. How should the tractor protection valve function? A. It should close if air pressure drops too low. B. It should release fuel. C. It should stay open all the time. A. It should close if air pressure drops too low. What is a converter dolly? A. Valve to equalize pressure. B. Device used to connect multiple trailers. C. Tool for brake chambers. B. Device used to connect multiple trailers. What should you do before lowering the landing gear? A. Turn on hazard lights. B. Drain fuel tanks. C. Make sure the trailer is on level ground. C. Make sure the trailer is on level ground. What is a key step when inspecting the fifth wheel coupling? A. Locking jaws are around kingpin shank. B. Trailer is full of fuel. C. Trailer doors are open. A. Locking jaws are around kingpin shank. How do you check if trailer brakes are working? A. Use trailer hand valve while moving slowly. B. Pump clutch. C. Tap horn. A. Use trailer hand valve while moving slowly. What causes trailer to swing wide? A. Applying parking brakes. B. Driving straight. C. Turning too fast. C. Turning too fast. What is the function of the glad hands? A. Connect airlines. B. Check fluids. C. Secure doors. A. Connect airlines. What happens if the trailer is not supported during uncoupling? A. It may collapse. B. It will roll back. C. It will overheat. A. It may collapse. Why inspect shutoff valves on multi-trailer rigs? A. To check coolant. B. To ensure air flows to all trailers. C. To check tire tread. B. To ensure air flows to all trailers. What two things prevent rollovers? A. Light load and wide turns. B. Slow turns and centered load. C. Trailer brakes only. B. Slow turns and centered load. Which trailer is most likely to roll when turning suddenly with doubles? A. Rear trailer. B. Front trailer. C. Dolly. A. Rear trailer. Why not use trailer handbrake to fix a jackknife? A. Not enough braking. B. It locks trailer wheels. C. Disables ABS. B. It locks trailer wheels. What is off-tracking? A. Trailer follows tighter path. B. Trailer runs off-road. C. Trailer lifts off ground. A. Trailer follows tighter path. Which trailers get stuck on rail crossings? A. Lowboys and car carriers. B. Empty reefers. C. Box trailers. A. Lowboys and car carriers. Why avoid trailer hand valve while driving? A. It may cause skids. B. It wastes fuel. C. It disables engine brake. A. It may cause skids. What is the service airline for? A. Cools brakes. B. Controls service brakes. C. Powers ABS. B. Controls service brakes. What is the emergency airline for? A. Exhaust control. B. Trailer lights. C. Air tanks and emergency brakes. C. Air tanks and emergency brakes. Why use chocks without spring brakes? A. Air holds brakes. B. Brakes may not hold. C. Adds traction weight. B. Brakes may not hold. Where are shutoff valves located? A. Dashboard and fuel tank. B. Tractor axle. C. Back of trailers. C. Back of trailers. What happens if trailer is too high when coupling? A. Trailer bounces. B. Improper coupling, damages fifth wheel. C. Rolls into dolly. B. Improper coupling, damages fifth wheel. After coupling, how much space should be between the fifth wheels? A. 1 inch. B. None. C. 3 inches. B. None. What shutoff valves should be open, closed for doubles, triples? A. Front. Open, rear, closed. B. All closed. C. Front. Closed, rear, open. A. Front. Open, rear, closed. How can you test airflow to all trailers? A. Press gas and check brake lights. B. Open shutoff at rear. C. Check for leaks. B. Open shutoff at rear. How to test tractor protection valve. A. Disconnect air and turn off engine. B. Shut engine and pull forward. C. Drop pressure. Listen for pop. C. Drop pressure. Listen for pop. How to test trailer emergency brakes. A. Pull air supply knob and tug gently. B. Slam brake in reverse. C. Pump brakes quickly. A. Pull air supply knob and tug gently. How to test trailer service brakes. A. Use hand valve while moving slowly. B. Press clutch halfway. C. Tap horn. A. Use hand valve while moving slowly. Good luck. Subscribe for more CDL information.